Yes, Igbo people. The reason why Igbo people want to associate to Ikwere, they are crying for Ikwere to associate to them because of the wet, the oil. Because in River State, you are not lacking anything. If you come for River State,
the soil is good.
Everything, whatever you need in River State, you have it. Is it food? Is it yam? Whatever. Our own is quite different from others.
But they said you people don't have more millionaires than you.
Oh, you don't understand. We don't travel. Because why Igbo people always travel? Because we don't have anything in their place. They go outside, they can go any country you go, you do not see Igbo man. Please run away. Ikwere man, Rivers man is not ready to travel because we have everything. You can go, river area people can go to river. By the time you kill 3, 4, 5 fish, you don't eat. You can train your children for school. Igbo people don't have any, don't have bush to farm. They don't have anything. So their own way of